Hi, this is Paul from the Mindset Change podcast. Here's a mini mindset boost of a meditation you can use on a busy day. If you'd like to get yourself into a nice, comfortable position, I'd like you to give your shoulders a roll forwards and backwards and a twist from side to side to release any tension that you've been holding on to. And with a breath of your choosing, as you breathe out, allow your eyes to gently close if they are not already, and connect with your breath by focusing on your belly, which will naturally rise and fall with each breath. Each out-breath is an invite to let go of any tension or tightness that you've been holding on to. Your facial muscles beginning to relax, your jaw beginning to loosen, your neck and shoulders dropping down slightly as tension begins to melt away with each breath. And I'd like you to follow an out-breath of your choosing all the way to the end. And note that there's a pause at the end of the breath just before you breathe back in. And just bring your full awareness to that pause, that brief moment in time, and just get a sense of how that feels. What do you notice happening to your mind when your full attention is within the pause? It may have felt peaceful and more still as the moment you bring your attention to the present moment, you become free from the stories of the future and your past. And it's this pause which can give you some peace of mind, which could help you begin to step back from a situation which could be quite reactive, and instead you get to choose how you'll respond. And again, for the next minute, just focus your attention on being fully present within that pause. How did that feel? Was it easy? Or were there times when your mind wandered? The more you practice, the easier it becomes. The easier it becomes to arrive into a meditation and begin to settle more quickly. So again, for the last minute, let's refocus back on being present with that pause. Actually, no. Wonderful. When you're ready, you can begin to come back to your surroundings and open your eyes. This is a very simple meditation, just to practice being present, slowing down the mind, and just being present. And as I said, the more you practice this, the easier it becomes not only in meditation, but in the waking world too. And I wonder what difference that would make to you if you could choose your responses more often instead of being reactive. Remember to stay awake, stay aware, and I hope you have the most incredible day.